Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study how to find the greatest common factor and the least common multiple by simultaneous factoring. We use short division to find the GCF and LCM. If you're unsure about short division, please refer to the video, whole number 3. Let's review how we found the GCF and LCM. We did it by two ways. The first one is just the regular method. If you're unsure about that, please refer to the video, whole number 6 and 7. To find the GCF by the regular method, we just find all factors. Then, compare them. The largest common factor becomes the GCF. To find the LCM by the regular method, we just find some multiples. There are infinitely many multiples, but we only care about the smallest one. The smallest common multiple becomes the LCM. The second method is an efficient method called prime factoring method. If you're unsure about that, please refer to the video, whole number 8 and 9. We compare the exponent for each prime number. Choosing the smaller exponent for each becomes the GCF, and choosing the larger one becomes LCM. Let's briefly review the prime factoring method, since it is very useful and we can utilize it in many occasions. For example, finding GCF and LCM of 12 and 42. We need to prime factor 12 and 42. We can do this by short division. If you're unsure about prime factoring by short division, please refer to the video, whole number 5. 12 can be divided by 2. Consider 1. There is no 2's in 1. Then consider 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then 6 can be divided by 2, and it becomes 3. So 12 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 3. Let's express this in ascending order with exponents, and it'll be 2 squared times 3. Now let's prime factor 42. 42 can be divided by 2. Consider 4. There are 2 2's in 4. Then consider 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 21 can be divided by 3, and it becomes 7. So 42 can be expressed as 2 times 3 times 7. Changing this in ascending order with exponents does not change anything, so it stays as 2 times 3 times 7. Now let's find the GCF and the LCM. For prime number 2, 12 has 2 squared, and 42 has 2. 2 has no exponent, but we can place 1 in the exponent. We have to choose the smaller exponent, which is 1, for GCF. So 2 to the power of 1 is for GCF. And we choose the larger exponent, which is 2, for LCM. So 2 squared is for LCM. We now move to prime number 3. Both 12 and 42 have 1 3. So 3 is for both GCF and LCM. For the prime number 7, 12 does not have 7. So 7 is not for GCF, but for LCM. So the GCF is 2 times 3, which is 6. And the LCM is 2 squared times 3 times 7, which is 84. Now let's look at the same question using simultaneous factoring, which is very simple and straightforward. Place 12 and 42 side by side. Both numbers can be divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 42 divided by 2 is 21. We have 6 and 21. Both numbers can be divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. Now we have 2 and 7. Since there is no common factor for both numbers, we stop factoring. In order to find the GCF, we just need to multiply the prime numbers in the column, which is 2 and 3. So the GCF is 6. In order to find the LCM, we need to multiply the numbers in the shape of an L, which is 2 times 3 times 2 times 7. So LCM is 84. Let's look at another question, GCF and LCM of 30 and 45 by simultaneous factoring. Place 30 and 45 side by side. Both numbers can be divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6, and 45 divided by 5 is 9. We have 6 and 9, and both numbers can be divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now we have 2 and 3. Since there is no common factor for both numbers, we stop factoring. In order to find the GCF, we just need to multiply the prime numbers in the column, which is 5 times 3. So GCF is 15. To find the LCM, we need to multiply the numbers in the shape of an L, which is 5 times 3 times 2 times 3. So LCM is 90. Now let's look at one more question, the GCF and LCM of 48 and 84 by simultaneous factoring. Place 48 and 84 side by side. Both numbers can be divided by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24, and 84 divided by 2 is 42. We have 24 and 42. Both numbers can be divided by 2 again. 24 divided by 2 is 12, and 42 divided by 2 is 21. We have 12 and 21. Both numbers can be divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. Now we have 4 and 7. Since there is no common factor for both numbers, we stop factoring. In order to find the GCF, we just need to multiply the prime numbers in the column, which is 2 times 2 times 3. So GCF is 12. In order to find the LCM, we need to multiply the numbers in the shape of an L, which is 2 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 7. So LCM is 336. Here are some challenge questions. Try them out. Sample solutions are linked under the video. Hope you can solve them. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Thank you and have a good one.